When your remodel cost exceeds your loan amount, that's a decision that we want to go back and we want to say, is this something that you're comfortable with? Does this make sense for you to invest above what the actual loan amount would be for you? And that goes back to the question of, should I put my individual cash into the investment in my house, and will I get that return on investment? So in the case that we go through the process and we know that you're funded for X dollars, and we go through our concept contract, we make sure that we know the bids, plans, and specs, and we get you that fixed priced estimate. If that fixed priced estimate comes in higher than what that loan value would be for you, then we go back to the drawing board and say, is this something that you're comfortable to invest your own individual cash for the project to continue to advance and get everything that you wanted in that project? Or is it more important that we scale down on the project and look at some alternatives, like some cosmetic alternatives versus structural improvements to your home? Oftentimes in our process, the advantage of working with the authority companies is that we've already done a multitude of those options. So we're looking at, here's option 1, 2, and 3, and we're also working with the fixed priced estimate. So you're always in complete control. We don't ever have to worry about our costs going higher and higher and higher, and our team coming back and saying we need another 5,000, another 10,000, because we already know what that fixed priced estimate is based on the preliminary work that we've done up front. So again, you have choice. If you decide that you do want to invest more than what the loan value is, you simply pay the difference, but we're going to work with you and be your partner to make sure that we're all comfortable with whatever that investment is for you.